They ain't want to see it. Uh-huh.
What's up, y'all? Justzay here, back in another pickup, and today we got a super duper special double unboxing. Today we're unboxing not one, but two pairs of Airmax DNs. And the thing about this shoe that's so special is that it's a bit of a challenge to get the certain colorways, as well as the free items that come along with those colorways. One of the free items you get if you did what needed to be done would be a keychain pendant like this, with a QRC code on the back, which I'll let you guys see at the end so you can scan it. You also was able to pick up a little figurine like this, and you was able to get an item like this, which is an extra pair of laces, another QRC code, and a little pendant right here. Now, depending on where you live, the Nike Town may not be able to do this, so it just depends. You go to Nike's website, and if you've done all the three things you need to do, then you'll be able to pick them up in stores if the supplies are still there. Alright, so if you went with this particular colorway, this is what 160 is going to get you. You're going to get a beautiful, beautiful shoe, as well as 3 sets of free pair of laces. You're going to have this crimson pair, you have this black pair, as well as this reflective pair. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it was a task to get these because when I went online, these were already sold out. And the crazy thing about it, I did not get a notification that these were able to be sold. I signed up for it, didn't get the notification. So I was actually late, these were sold out, I had to get these in the store. The pair that I actually was able to get online, and I'm gonna be honest, I had to convince myself that, you know what, this colorway is better anyway. And one of the ways I convinced myself was I was like, you know what? If Justice Lord Superman was a real person, he'd probably wear these. Alright, so first things first, one of the things about this shoe that I enjoy is, of course, I love when the Airmax is translucent, when you can see right through it. Let me see if we can focus in on this. You see how you can see my finger through here? That's always pretty cool. See my finger through the window. So these are the 4 dots right here. It represents the 4 windows. There was on the original OG pair Air Maxes. I believe it was the Air Max 87 is when it came out, where they had the 4 windows. Then eventually went back to 3, but this is what this is reminiscent of. Now this right here, I know it may look like it from a distance, but it is not reflective. I kind of wish it was, but at the same time, it might have been too much for the shoe. It's like a clear net, like a fishnet rubber material, which I'm cool with it not being reflective, but it would have been a little bit cool if they made a reflective version, but it is what it is. You have Nike branding right here, Nike branding at the sole of the shoe, Nike branding at the front, Nike branding at the toe, Airmax DN. Now you might not be able to see this on camera, but this is like that hologram that's on the Jordan 13 logo that's on the side. You might have, yeah, you probably can't see it as well, but Nike branding right here, and then Airmax DN right here. There's a great amount of traction that's on this shoe. Overall, it's not bad. It's fairly responsive. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I've been looking up, and some sites are calling this a casual shoe, casual wear, which kind of makes me lower the bar just a little bit as far as expectation goes, because I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little underwhelmed with this shoe. And the reason I said it is because this shoe right here, I did a review on. This is really what I thought this shoe was going to be a better version of. I mean, you look at this air bubble on this shoe, you're looking at roughly 1.5 inches or so, right down to 1 inch, which is a lot more responsive out of the gate than this one. This is a 10 and this is a 10.5. So you're looking at barely 1 inch of air. It's not bad, but it's just not as responsive as this shoe is. And I did a free review on this one, so click the link at the end and I'll show you more about this shoe. Okay, so real quick, I didn't show you guys the insole. Nothing special, just Airmax DN on the inside. These reflective laces are super duper cool. Now this is a size 10, this is a 10.5. So as far as being able to stick these on with no hands, You can do it with the 10.5, and you can do it with the 10. So you can wear your true size, or you can go half a size up and you'll be fine. Now, I want to be very clear with you guys. I'm not saying that this shoe is uncomfortable. What I am saying is not as responsive as what I would have liked. What I would have liked is for the shoe to be as responsive, or maybe more, than its predecessor, the Airmax TW. Now, you guys can see this. I need to change the camera angle, but I can just feel the air bubble on this one as soon as I put my feet in. This one I kind of push in harder just a little bit to feel it. It's not bad, but it just goes to show the difference of how much more air it can do for your shoe. This has about 1.5 inches, which I showed you guys. This has only about 1 inch. Oh, the lanyard. So same thing again. QRC code if you guys want to scan it. And then boom, that's it.